somewhere here. Then where is it? Oh, I forgot. Okay, it's alright. Will you lend me 50 rupees? I will give you back. What? 50 rupees? Just 50 rupees. I don't have any money. Let me see it. Okay, come. Okay. Sir. Have you found me 100 rupees? No. I don't have any money. I gave you what all I have saved. What to do now? Nobody's father shall lend me money. Everyone knows well about me. If I am sick, everyone asks to repay the loan. Then what to do now?
Where is the fearless?
What?
Found your 100 rupees note under my pencil bottle.
Oh, yes. My 100 rupees note. Forgotten bottle. Okay, I will be careful. Doctor asked you to take rest, no? Why do you come out? Go ahead and take rest. Go.
Okay, take it. But Ramesh,
What?
I heard that you are taking loan from each and everyone.
What? Taking loan?
Don't you get salary regularly?
No, brother. No. Someone gave you false information. You go ahead and take rest.
Okay, take rest.
Okay, go. What? Hello? What? I just heard that you're taking loan. What? My friend told me that you have taken 1,000 rupees from your husband. Then? Right? Is it so yesterday? Yes, I have taken. Why? It is to give a party to our boss. Party? Yes. Is it true? Or for any other purpose? No, not for other purpose. Lakshmi, it seems you have taken a silk saree on credit from cloth merchant. Yeah, how do you know? It's like that. Credits cannot be written. Let us clear it out as soon as you get salary. Okay? Don't get anything on credit hereafter. Okay? See, Lakshmi, I get limited salary. My name is in the promotion list. My officer seems to be good. If he is pleased, he gives me promotion. So, I got a good idea. What is that idea? I invited him for lunch. Oh. Yes, you go and make arrangements. Go. I don't think so. What? Why? Last time also, the previous officer had lunch. He gave me promotion.
Yes.
No, Lakshmi. This officer is not like that. He seems to be good. Wait and see. Let us see. Okay, go.
कैमरा आडू करता है
Ramesh,
What, father?
what's that you are saying something about promotion?
Father, I invited my boss for lunch. It's time for him to come.
Invited him for lunch.
Yes.
Why?
Why do you ask everything? Go in and take us. Go.
All right. The officer is lower. Get a new one.
Oh, yes. I will get it. He is going. It's time for the boss to come. Go. Oh God. Raju, baby, Daddy. It's the voice of class merchant. What? Class merchant? Yes, what was? I have to pay 2,000 rupees to him. My God! 2,000 rupees? Yes. What was? Only silk saree. Oh, for silk saree, 2,000 rupees. Only one. Okay, it's alright. What to do now? You must think. What? I be inside. Tell him that I went out. Okay, it's alright. Be careful. Yes.
Hello, Ramesh.
Hello.
Would you please call madam?
Oh, madam. He's out to market. Why?
Not there.
No.
I heard a lady voice just now.
What?
Look at her
Anyone?
face.
Oh, it's from the TV.
TV.
Yes.
Okay. I'll wait until she comes.
It takes much time for her to come.
No problem. I'll wait.
Why do you take leave? Moreover, our office staff is coming for a meeting. Tell me the matter. I convey to my wife.
Did she tell you?
What?
She took a sorry on credit.
What? Credit? No, he never does like that. What?
See, this is the credit bill.
What? Credit bill? My God! 2,000 rupees!
Yes, she took it long back. Otherwise, you please pay it off quickly.
What? Me? I don't have any money now. Everything is a home department. Collect from her as soon as she comes.
Okay, ask her to pay off quickly.
It's alright.
I come tomorrow.
Okay. Has he gone? Yes. Head back with him. Really? What, Raju? Mother is here only, no? Then why you told that she went out? Father, taking light is a bad habit, no? Our teacher told. No, really. Just a joke with him, that's all. Yes. Why do you ask everything? You go in and prepare for the exam. Exam? Go in. I call you to greet our boss. Officer is coming on. Shall we change our dress? Go. From me. The kids have got us. Yes. Why your boss has got to them? I think he might have got another one. No. He told me that he comes directly. Then why he thinks of him? Let us wait for him. Lakshmi, bring that paper. Hello? Yes. It's your boss. Go and open the door. Maybe. Let me see. It's not his father. How do you know? Probably the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper? Yes. Why? I have to pay 4,000 rupees for Korean. He will have some number. What to do now? You must think what? You be inside. I managed to send him out. Okay, be careful. Okay.
Madam, is Tarek home?
No, he went to office for a meeting.
Who is it?
Me, the shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper?
Yes, sir.
Why?
To collect credit.
Credit?
Yes, sir.
How much?
4,000.
4,000.
Yes, sir. Credit for 2 months. It means Ram went out.
Went out. In here till now.
Yes, uncle. Just now he went out.
But he said that his officer is coming for lunch now.
Yes, sir. He went to Shikoli.
Okay, come here tomorrow and collect your man.
Yes, sir. Please remind him. I will come tomorrow to collect money. Thank you, sir.
Is he taking loans? I should warn myself about his credits and loans.
Uncle, you please go in and take this. I'll send you something after the pickup. You
Okay,
go?
send him to my room.
Okay. Many times I told him not to worry about anything. He doesn't listen. Leslie, are you talking about mom? Yes, of course. But your father? Yes, I heard everything. Leslie, why does he interfere in our case? The right person has not come yet. But all the creditors are coming. Have you given the correct address? Yes. What will it? Peter uncle has not come yet. Sir, let us wait for him. Yeah. Okay, go. Wait. Wait. Oh, yes. It's my boss. Let me open the door. Wait. I'm out. It may be the house owner. What? House owner? Yes. Oh God. Came to the rent of 2 months. What? Rent of 2 months? Yes. Oh, what to do now? Okay, do one thing. What? You open the door and tell him that I went out. Wait, what? I can't do that. Why? Last month also, I told the same thing. Oh. What to do now? Do one thing. What? Let us both go in and because Baby and Raju to tell him that we went out. Good idea. Okay. Baby? Mommy. Raju? Daddy? Come here. See children, someone has come. Open the door and tell the dancers that we went out. Do you ask me to tell lies? Not like that. We should not tell lies now. No problem, Daddy. Now we can tell lies. Yes, Mommy. Okay, go. Go. Hello, Uncle.
Which class are you studying?
I'm studying 6th standard, sir.
And you?
I'm studying art class, sir.
What are you both doing now?
We are studying for exam.
What? Exam?
Exam, sir.
Do well in exam.
Thank you, sir.
Going, call your father.
Mother and father are not at home. They went out. Yes, sir, school. They went out.
What? They went out.
Yes, uncle.
They invited me and went out.
Yes, sir, school. They asked me. They liked us. Mother told me that. This last birthday came. Daddy set us safe.
Is it?
Yes, uncle. Now also they both going. He asked us to tell you that they have gone out.
అసలు బాస్
Uncle.
అసలు బాస్ అన్నాడు.
Do you know why they did like that?
Yes, uncle. Mother has to give 2,000 rupees to the cross merchant for Daddy. Father has to give 4,000 to the shopkeeper for provision.
Now I could understand the matter. To avoid the traitors, they are asking you to tell lies.
Telling lies is not good. Is it, uncle?
This baby is a very bad thing.
Then why mother and father are telling lies?
You are clever, but your parents should realize. You said truth. Good, take these chocolates. children, daily follow the Raghunath amendment.
Yes, uncle. Maybe a new creditor. Maybe who is it? New creditor. What? New creditor? How is it? Wearing shoes, tie, suit. What? He's just like gentleman. New creditor? Wearing shoes, tie? Who is he? Oh. Has he told his name? Yes, he is Mr. Raghu. What? He told that he never comes again. Oh God! Mr. Raghu! He is our officer! What do you know? He must be angry with you. Yes. How do we know that he is the officer, uncle? He said that you are his protection. Daddy, he seems to be good. He gave us chocolate. What do you know?
Hey, Baba.
What happened? Why are you so worried?
What to tell father? We asked the children. The others were not at home. They were creditor. But they told the same thing to the officer also, who were invited for lunch.
Very bad on your part. Taking loans and credits is the first mistake, and making children to lie is the second mistake. The children follow you and face many problems in their future. So be careful.
Sorry, father. I correct myself. Sorry, uncle. Hereafter we won't repeat it.
It's alright. Go to your office and Palaga is inviting for lunch now.
Okay, father.